Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn how to create this kind of seamless geometric pattern in Adobe Illustrator. Make sure to watch the tutorial till the end for all the details. First, grab the ellipse tool and draw a circle in the center of your artboard. Choose colors for the stroke and fill of the circle. Increase the stroke of the circle. With the circle selected, go to Object, Path, Offset Path. Adjust the offset as needed, and click OK. Repeat this a few times to create multiple concentric circles. Next, select the entire set of circles, go to Object, Expand, and click OK. Take the Line Segment tool. Deselect the circles, place the anchor in the center of the circle, and hold Shift plus Alt while dragging to the right to create a straight line. Repeat this process upwards. Make sure the stroke of the line segment is set to 0. Select everything, then grab the Shape Builder tool. Hold the Alt key and remove the unwanted parts, including the lines. Right-click on the shape, go to Transform and select Reflect. Choose the vertical axis and click Copy. Right-click again, go to Arrange and select Send to Back. Adjust the right part of the shape as needed. Right-click on it, go to Transform and select Reflect again. This time, choose the horizontal axis and click Copy. Adjust this new shape accordingly. Go to Transform once more, select Reflect, choose the vertical axis and click Copy. Now select this part, go to Effect, Stylize, and choose Drop Shadow. Adjust the shadow offsets and blur. Select the opposite side shape and apply the drop shadow on this one as well. Select all and group them. Now go to Object, Pattern, and select Make. Decrease the width and height to remove the white gaps between the pattern. To remove these unnecessary shadows on the pattern, select these options. Hit Done and you are good to go. Select Swatches. Draw any kind of shape. Select the newly created pattern and it will fill in the shape. You can also edit the pattern by just double-clicking on the pattern from Swatches. This is it for today. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.